Hi everyone, my name is Lilia Kipper. I'm an accountant with 20 years experience in accounting and taxes, and today I will show you how to pay less taxes legally. This information is valid globally for most of the countries, and if you think that this subject is very important for you, just keep watching and do not forget to support us by giving us a like, a share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And do you know that most of the part of our life we pay a lot of taxes, and taxes are the largest expenses in our life. And it's very important just to know a general information how tax system works and how we pay taxes. Most of the people think that if they have an income of $75,000 multiplied by 30%, that means they will pay $22,000 to the government. No, it is not like this calculated the taxes to pay to the government. Also, before to start, keep in mind that this is just illustrative purpose only. So let's assume that we have an income 75,000. This will be our example. Most of the countries in the world has a progressive tax rate. As it's shown to you, you can see that we have progressive tax rates depending of your income. So 15% till $53,000, 20% till $106,000, 26% till $165,000, and till 30%, which is everything over $235,000. So as I told you, that income tax rate it's calculated based on progressive tax rate, and this is valid for most of the countries globally. So let's assume that we have taxable income and tax rate. Our taxable income is $75,000. So up to $15,000 we have no taxes to calculate it. From $15,000 till $53,000 we have 15%, which will be $5,750, and from $53,000 till $75,000 it will be 20%, which it will be $4,435,000. But it means that from the income of $75,000 we have to pay taxes to the government only $10,000, $185, not $22,000 as you thought. So just keep in mind progressive tax rate, and most of the countries globally has this progressive tax rate. Like this, it is a calculated your income tax rate. So let's continue. After we calculated how it's calculated income tax to pay to the government, we need to know how to reduce this taxable income. So I will show you in this video just two options, which is generally and it's globally. The first option it is to decrease your income taxes that you have to pay to the government. It is through pension contribution. In Canada, pension contribution, most of the country has this. So pension contribution through RSSP in Canada and 401 in the United States. And obviously each country has its name differently, but it's pension contribution. And this pension contribution can be calculated pre-tax and after tax. What does mean pre-tax and what mean after tax? Pre-tax, it means that your employer directly contribute to your pension income. What is mean this? It is decrease your income tax rate immediately when he calculated your salary, let's say monthly or weekly, it's depending of your payroll. So I will show you by an example here. Our taxable income is $75,000, and we calculated previously that from the $75,000 you have to pay to the government $10,185. Let's assume your employee contribute to your pension income, pension contribution $7,500 to your pension, but you have left income $67,500, which is mean you have to pay taxes from $67,000, $8,650, which you have already paid less taxes by $1,535. Let's assume now that you also want to contribute to your own RSP, besides that your employer already contributed to your pension plan. You want to contribute also to your pension plan. This will decrease much more your income tax to pay to the government. So keep in mind, this is a legally and very good option to decrease your income tax to pay to the government. So you have more money on your pocket, and also you will have a retirement, a good amount to your retirement. The second option to decrease your income taxes to pay to the government is company versus employer. Before, you need to create a company and to open a bank account for your company. So I will show you the company versus employee, how taxes it's paid. So as we calculated previously, from the income from 75,000 income, you'll have to pay $10,000 taxes. So you have on your hand to spend $64,000. From the company, you have an income $75,000, you have an expenses $40,000, and you have taxes to pay from $8,200, which is an economy in taxes. You pay less taxes to the government, almost $2,000. So this is a good amount. So this is a two option to decrease your income taxes to pay to the government legally. And if you think that you liked this video, do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and continue to follow us and to see much more information about taxes, finance, self-development. So do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Lilia Keeper. Thank you very much.